Morning children. Today we will start with the topic how to prepare a fixture of knockout tournament and what are the advantages of knockout tournament, league tournament. Today we'll start with knockout tournament. Knockout tournament is also known as elimination tournament. That means the team once defeated is eliminated and the winning teams continue in the tournament. There are several advantages of knockout tournaments. That is, knockout tournament is a very economical tournament. That means economical means less expensive. Then comes enhancing standard of competition or sports. It also helps in enhancing the standard of the competition and sports. As well as third point is it saves time. It saves time. Then it is in this less officials are required. Officials are required. There are certain disadvantages of knockout tournaments. First one is good team may get eliminated. Second point, skilled selection not possible. Third point, high stress on the players. It means good teams may get eliminated in the first round itself and weaker team may come ahead. And second, skilled selection not possible means in knockout tournament good selection of player is not possible as good players may lose their match in initial matches. The third point is high stress on players. It is in this tournament every match is in do or die condition. Thus very stressful for the players. Next tournament is league tournament. League tournament is also known as round robin tournament. In league tournament we have two types of league, that is single league and double league. Here single league means each teams play with every other team or player once, and double league means each team or player plays with every other team twice. That means 2 times. Here is the formula for the single league tournament. It is n into n minus 1 by 2, where we consider n is the number of teams. For example, n is equal to 10. Suppose n is equal to 10. Then in the formula we apply 10 into 10 minus 1 by 2 equal to 10. First we will solve this bracket one, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9. 10 into 9 by 2, that is 90 by 2 equal to 45 matches. This is the procedure to take out the number of matches. How many number of matches the team is going to be performed. Next comes double league. What is the formula for double league? Double league, the formula is n into n minus 1, where n is the number of teams, means number of team. For example, if number of teams, same example we can follow here. N is equal to 10, equal to 10 into 10 minus 1, that is 10 into 9, which is called 90 matches. Okay. Next comes what are the advantages of league tournament. There are certain good advantages of league tournaments, that is strong teams get the victory in the tournament. Every teams get full opportunity to show their performance. Then comes third point, sports can be made more popular due to large number of matches. Then Fourth point, sports officials can easily judge the performance of individuals or teams. Appropriate opportunities are available to the players to improve their performance. Last point is, spectators also get enough opportunities to watch their favorite players or teams playing in the tournament. There are certain disadvantages of playing league tournaments. It requires more time. It is very costly. It costs more. Then comes difficult for organizers to make arrangement for teams and officials. Fourth point, teams losing repeatedly get psychologically stressed. Essential points for knockout tournament. Points to be kept or considered for preparation of fixture. First point is total number of teams participating, then total number of byes given, number of teams in each half or quarter, number of byes to be given in each half or quarter, total number of rounds to be played, then total number of matches to be played. Methods of preparing fixture in knockout tournament. First one is total number of matches equal to n minus 1. N denotes here the number of teams. For example, suppose number of matches n equal to 21. The number of matches will be n minus 1, that is 21 minus 1, that is equal to 20. 20 matches to be played. Second, divide the number of teams into two halves. Suppose the number of teams are 4. Number of teams are 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. It is an even number. Then 1, 2 in the upper half and 3, 4 in the lower half. Then if the number of teams is not exact power of 2, that is 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and so on, and in an odd number, that is, for example, if it is 7, then upper half equal to n plus 1 by 2, that is 7 plus 1 by 2. 8 by 2, which is equal to 8 by 2 is 4. Then comes lower half n minus 1 by 2. N minus 1, 7 minus 1 by 2, which equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. That means in the upper half four number of teams will be kept, and in the lower half 3 number of teams will be kept. It has been divided into two halves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, byes are given in first round. Number of byes, that is 2x minus 1, where 2x is greater than n. Number of rounds, x. If n is an even number, upper half equal to lower half, the formula will be n by 2. Even number means if it is, the number is 6, then 6/2. Upper half 3 and lower half will be 3. Next, number of byes equal to 2x minus n, where 2x is greater than n. Number of rounds is equal to x. What is a bye? Bye is a sort of privilege to a team, given to a team to play directly in the second round. Instead of playing in the first round, the team will be, or the player will be playing in the second round directly, in the second round. These are given to adjust the fixture as well as to give privilege to teams to play in next round. Bye is also necessity to complete the draw or the fixture. Third type of tournament is combination tournaments. In combination tournament, we have first type of tournament is knockout cum knockout tournament. Then second type is league cum league tournament. Third one is knockout cum league tournament. And fourth type is league cum knockout tournament. Generally, we can see this type of tournament, this fourth type of tournament, that is league cum knockout tournament, is being played in IPL matches. Then the fourth type of tournament is challenge tournament. What does it mean, challenge tournament? Challenge tournament means this type of tournament comes handy when there are 1-to-1 contest or there are 2 players on each side. One player challenges the other and the other players accepts the challenge. Games in which such types of tournaments are been played, that is boxing, tennis, table tennis, badminton, etc. Now, what are the procedure to draw fixture? Before drawing fixture, we should know what fixture means. Fixture are the schedule fixed the matches to be played, their time, place, court or ground, number and date, etc. It is a detailed program made by the organizer before few days or on the day of the competition. Fixture is a process of arranging the teams in systematic order in various groups for competitive fights for physical activities. In other words, we can say that it is a set up of various teams. It is a setup of various teams for competitive matches where they can play in a systematic order as per fixture schedule. Actually, fixture are basically is a kind of flow chart. We can say fixture as a flow chart. Now, for knockout tournaments, the procedure to draw fixture in knockout tournament, the 3 types of procedure are there. One is, first type is bye, giving bye. Second one, seeding. Third one, special seeding. Likewise, in league tournaments, we have cyclic method, then staircase method and tabular method. We have to study cyclic method and staircase method as per the syllabus is concerned.